The Michigan Court of Appeals heard oral arguments today as Ottawa County's embattled Health Officer Adeline Hambley is suing to keep her job. Conservative members of the County Board of Commissioners, critical of masking and other pandemic policies, have been attempting to remove her since taking office. 13 on your side's Josh Albertus was in the courtroom. He joins us now live. Josh, what did we hear in court?
Well, we heard from attorneys on both sides arguing whether or not Hambley's position as health officer in Ottawa County should be protected at this time, as some commissioners have already made moves to potentially oust her from her post. Hambley is seeking a full reinstatement of a previous court order that said she could not be removed from her position before this lawsuit goes to trial. The attorney for Ottawa County was arguing they shouldn't reinstate that order based on a resolution from the previous County Board of Commissioners in December that said Hambley's hiring was based on three things: a background check, approval from Michigan Health and Human Services, and another approval from the board, which the new board that took over in January did not do. At least one of the judges seemed to take issue with that argument, given the former board asked at that time back in December whether Hambley had already accepted the post. The attorney for Ottawa County spoke to the court over Zoom, but we did get a chance to speak with Hambley's lawyer after those arguments. Take a look at what the two sides had to say.
Well, I was pleased that the judges had obviously, they're well prepared and know the issues, and we're hopeful that we'll get a result that will permit us to continue the status quo, but we'll just have to see what happens.
The resolution that was subsequently signed by one person, the board chair, changed and altered that decision. So that's the point, and that's the crux of this case.
Hambley's lawyer said she believes Hambley is entitled to the stay that they're asking for ahead of a trial, believing that the current Board of Commissioners has been set out to remove Hambley since they were elected and that they will not give her due process. Now, the Board of Commissioners has also scheduled its own hearing to decide whether or not Hambley will be removed, but given present legal concerns, potential legal concerns, that hearing that was originally scheduled for next Thursday, as of yesterday, has now been rescheduled for Thursday or October 23rd, excuse me. Now, Hambley's lawyer, when we talked to her inside the court, she said that that date does not work for her and she will not be able to attend. So she will be in discussions with the Ottawa County lawyers to determine another date, but that could change in the coming days. Live in Grand Rapids, Josh Albertus, 13 on your side.